At UT Knoxville, students, faculty, and staff are encouraged to use their mobile credential to access campus buildings. This includes housing, academic, and administrative buildings. If the light is red, the door is locked and ready to read your credential. If the light is green, the door is unlocked for you to enter. Hold your VolCard close to the center of the reader to have your credential recognized. Keep in mind, your VolCard cannot be read through wallets, bags, or pockets. When the light turns red, the door is locked and access is denied. When the light turns green, the door is unlocked via your credential. You can also use your Android, iPhone, or Apple Watch as a credential once synced. You can double tap your credential on card readers to lock or unlock readers that have been programmed to accept the lock and unlock sequence. Note, this only applies to classrooms and business buildings. If you need building or room access, you may request it through the online access management portal. If you encounter a malfunctioning card reader or electronic door, please submit a work order to Facility Services to have it fixed. Physical keys are not issued for doors where card readers are installed. As such, this is when you would use the double tap feature if available on that reader. One important note for VolCard users: do not prop open any doors on campus. This is especially important for exterior doors, doors to your residence hall, and doors that are electronically controlled. Classrooms also feature a barricade switch for added security. These switches are located in classrooms and should be used to lock classroom doors and shelter in place during an emergency situation. More information can be found at the link below.